What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to learn single leg undulations. So this is going to be all about balance, coordination, strength and movement all at the same time. So first of all, if you haven't warmed up, warm up, because today I'm going to show you that. Also hit like, subscribe and follow please, and then we can dance together, okay? Okay? Alright, okay, let's go. So first things first, I would like you to get into classical position. So your supporting leg is bent, this leg is popped, heel is up. Shift your weight back and sit. We're going to go over our undulations very briefly because you can learn properly in my school. So forwards, chest lifts, bring back, chest drop, roll through, roll through, roll through. Forwards on a horizontal line. Push the chest up, shift it back, drop it down, come down and forwards. And up, keep your shoulders down as you do it, please. Fall back and down, roll through. Chest goes forward, horizontal. Chest goes up, vertical. Chest goes back, take it back. Chest goes down, 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 down. Up and roll through. And now I want you to try to keep your head and your chin in the same place. This is much harder, right? This is what I would call like a much deeper isolation, or a much, more of an isolated undulation as opposed to using your whole body and letting your head get involved. Try to keep your head up and on top of your heel, okay? So let's try one more time. Forward, horizontal. When you go forward, don't stick your bum out, keep your bum in, okay? And keep the weight in the heel on the supporting leg. Forward as far as you can, horizontal. Chest up as high as you can, vertical. Shift it back as far as you can without falling backwards. Then chest drop, then roll all the way down. Okay, forwards. So if you really want a bit of loads and loads and loads of fun, come and join my Zoom classes live with the recording access of the class. You can watch it back and practice in between lessons. Otherwise, if you don't want me to see your face and you don't want to dance with me in person, fine. You can go do the online subscriptions only, which means you can log in, watch the classes in your own time instead. Okay. Alright, so rolling it down. Alright, let's add on the legs. Should we shake up the legs? I think that's a really good idea. Let's change legs. Sink into your other supporting leg heel, so classical position on this side. Shift your hips and your weight back and sink up above it. We're going to do what I call flamingo leg. Alright, it's this position. Can you guess why I call it flamingo? I'll give you one guess. 3, 2, 1, go. Because that's how a flamingo stands. So, on one leg. Sink into your heel on your supporting leg, make sure your knee is bent. Alright, now point your toes. No flex feet is ugly. For the purpose of this dance, I want you to point your toes. Okay, so and your foot has to touch your calf. If you're wobbling and you're stuck, hold a wall, table, chair, door, bed, or whatever you've got until you figure out your weight placement, and then try not to hold on. That's the whole purpose of the exercise, right? So we're going to touch, point your toe. Flamingo, extension, flamingo, extension. I don't know why I'm doing this. So it's up and down. You're going to try to do it without bouncing, without changing your height, without wobbling everywhere. You're going to find your balance first. Otherwise, forget it, right? How you do undulation if you're falling all over the place? All right, so let's put the undulation on top. Let's do 4. It's going to burn. But that's the whole purpose of the exercise. All right? So sink in. We're going to do 4. 4, 3, 2, keep your head still. 1, raise the leg. 4, 3. If you like the music, it's called Pandora, like Pandora's box by Tribal from a Trap. Now let's do it in 2s. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Leg up. 1. Now 1 undulation per leg. Undulation, 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 undulation. Let's change sides. Okay. So sink into your heel, shift back and on top of it. Ready? Posture, chest, shoulders, neck, belly. All right. Point your toes. Point, extend. Point. I want you to extend that foot. Point. If you don't point your foot, you're just going to look like this, which is fine, but it's not fine. Okay, so let's go. 4 undulations, let's go. 7 and 8. 1. Try to keep your head still, shoulders down. 3. Sink into this leg, it's going to burn. That's kind of the point. 2, keep your knee facing forward. 3, 4, 9 twos. 1, 2, leg up. 1 and 2, leg down. So 1 and 2, leg up. 1 and 2, leg down. 1, 2. We're gonna go to singles. I made you do it longer on this side, huh? Okay, it's 1, leg up. Don't bounce, stay down. This leg should be crying. Should be crying, sobbing. Shake your legs out. Okay, my legs like to sob now as well. So. Your legs sobbing, crying, and having a little tantrum. Then you know you're doing it right, okay? It should burn. Okay? So again, shift back. Let's do one more time on each leg. Sink into the heel for me. Alright. 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hup, hup, hey. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leg up. 1, 2, balance. If you've got it, you can use your arms as well. It might be too much to ask, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 singles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's change sides. Get your posture. Back, sit, in 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 2s. Keep your knee still. Knee forward. 1, 2. Single. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Let's finish with chest circles and hip circles. Legs together, sink into your heels. Vertical chest circle. So you're drawing a clock, drawing all the minutes and hours on a clock. Up and over, down and under. And then hip circle. Side, front, side, back. Hands on your hips pointing at the floor. Drawing a circle around your feet. Chest up, shoulders down. And then chest, 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 chest. And hips, hips, hips. My knees are soft. 3 and 4. Last set. Chest circle 1, chest circle 2, chest circle 3, chest circle 4. If you did this and you really enjoyed it and you're someone who shares on social media, tag me at Melissa BellyDance London, TikTok, Melissa BellyDance on Facebook, and Melissa BellyDance on Instagram. Find me, tag me, I'll share it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.